Hi, everybody. It's surprise food pantry day because I didn't go into town with Mom and Phil, and they decided to stop at the food pantry because our vehicle's still not got everything ready to go and we can't drive it anywhere. So they were nice and picked up my food pantry box as well. So Mom knocked on the door and I had a surprise food pantry drop off. Yay! We have peaches. 3 bags. Guess what? More sauce coming up. The nectarine sauce came out great. 5 minutes in the Instapot after I peeled and de-pitted all the nectarines, and it was wonderful. And now we're going to do some peach sauce. And then we have a thing of vegetable oil, which is always good because boy, does my kids go through a lot of that. I don't, because I don't use oil to cook with anymore. I just don't. Vegetarian vegetable soup. Chicken and rice soup. A Diet Coke. I don't like Coke, but somebody will drink it. Not me. Belgiosio. Yeah, sure. Burrata filling. Burrata. If you haven't tried burrata, oh my goodness. So yummy. Emma will be so happy to see that. A caramel apple mozz cup. Looks pretty good to me. Sounds pretty good. We got pinto beans. I don't use the dried beans. I'm not good at cooking with them. But my sister loves cooking with them, so we'll probably pass them on to her. We got 2 little granola bars. 3 little coffees, K-cup coffees. Even if you don't have a K-cup coffee maker and you have a regular coffee maker, open them up, dump them in your little basket. There you go. All usable. A thing of ginger. And one spot looks a little moldy, but we'll cut that off. I don't use ginger too much. It tastes soapy to me, but hey, it's there. We'll check it out. Green apple. An eggplant. A cucumber with a little dent in it. A green pepper. A round challah bread. Apple crumb pie. 4 sprinkly donuts. Some beautiful pull-apart garlic bread. And there's mine. Yep, there's mine. With the cucumber and the salad mix and other stuff I got coming up. Guess what? Salad tonight for supper. Little, Bordeaux rolls. 6 counts. A bunch of avocados. I don't eat them, but my sister does. We'll pass them on to her. Pampa Crisp rice cereals. It's great for making Rice Krispie treats, which my kids have been obsessed with lately. They used every marshmallow in the house, so I'll have to get some more marshmallows. A really big sheet cake. I'm going to freeze 3/4 of that. Cut it up into little serving sizes and freeze it and throw it and take it out when you need it. Aw, a bag of flowers. I don't do flowers because I think it's mean to cut them and just kill them. I'd rather just leave them out in the yard and look at them, but a lot of people do. A big pack of chicken down there. I needed chicken. I was out of chicken. A big pack of chicken. And cracked pepper turkey breast. That's always a good thing to have on hand. Thin bottom round steak cuts. They're just really thin little pieces of steak. Don't mind my nasty, gross stove right there. I forgot to clean that one, evidently. Tomatoes. And a French onion pizza dough. Man, I can't talk today. So what else is new? But that is my food pantry haul today. So thankful that my mother stopped and got it. Now I don't have to consider something for supper because now I got supper stuff. Woohoo! Well, now I just got it all thought out for me. I don't have to come up with something. Sometimes, being an adult having to come up with things for supper every night. Oh my goodness gracious. But I am the mommy. I take care of everybody. That's what I do. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a super wonderful, fantastic day, and we'll see you all in the next video.